Hey guys, and welcome to Space Invader tutorial developed using Python. So let me show you guys how this works. Right, let's start by clicking on the space key and moving around with arrow keys. There we go. So the whole idea is to take down the Space Invader before they actually get to you. Let's see if we can do that. It should be that. Yeah, there we go. And we're gonna end up with an L conclusion. There we go. The game is over. I only managed to take down 190. Okay, what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm take you guys straight into Python development environment where we put one of these together. So let's start. Um, so first of all, I'm going to import the following. So import the following libraries. And next is going to be the game setting. As you can see, the game setting included width, the height, the player width and height, right there, the enemies width and height, and the bullet itself that will be fired. Then we have the player speed and enemy speed, and the bullet speed as well. Next, I will set in the main window. That's root, and the root will have a title. That's the title there, Space Invaders. Then I've also included canvas, and I have the canvas is right inside the root. And we have the width, the height, the background is blank. And we round up the canvas here. Then the game variable are set. The score is 0 for now. Then the life, you have 3 lives. And game over for now, that will be false. And next is going to be the player. The player is inside the canvas, and that's where the player will be positioned. And the color is gray. Then bullet for now will be none. And next is going to be all about the enemy. Okay, and the movement of the enemy. That is it right there. I'm going to include a link to this code so that you guys can just get it for free. And please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, next, that is the score and live display. Okay, that is it right there for now. Next, we have the controls, the function to move left and the function to move right. And here we have the menu, the function for shooting the bullets. Okay. Next, we have collision. Once the bullet collide with any of the enemies, take it down and we'll get the game to loop here. So have a good look at the lines of codes. Like I said, it's going to be made available on my description area. You can just download it there. So take it down and that is it. So I'm going to run this game. Let's save it first. File save as. So I'm going to save that as a Space Invader. Save and let's try it out now. Or then you can have a good look at the lines of code again. There we go, guys. Can always pause. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, I'm going to run the game again. So click on run. There we go. And with the space key, use the space key to shoot and the arrow keys to move left or right, depending on which direction you want to move. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this brilliant tutorial. Suppose you guys enjoyed. Please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day. Bye for now.